Okay, for this assignment, you're going to have to do a couple different things in Excel, so I want to just kind of give you some background information. One of the first things you're going to have to be able to do is kind of use the insert function feature on Excel. So that's found, this is the little button up here. What you're going to want to do is first find a box or a cell that you would like to insert the function into. You're going to click on the insert function key and you're going to look up what you would like Excel to do for you. For example, I wanted to find the mean. Another word for mean would be average. So I'm just going to type in average in the search bar here and look what it results. If you read down here, it says returns the average of, or arithmetic mean, which is what we want, of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays. You just make sure that that description acts or does what you want it to do. So you go ahead and hit OK. It's going to then tell or ask you what numbers would you like me to find the mean for, and then from there you can go ahead, click that button, select the numbers that you need, and hit enter, hit OK, and then that'll tell you the mean. You can do this a similar thing for both the median, min, and maximum by searching for those in the insert function key. Another thing that you might find helpful for you advanced users is to be able to reorder the data. You can do that by highlighting the data you would like to reorder. Maybe you want it to go from smallest to largest, and you can use the sort filter button up here on the home screen or the home tab, and you can just click if you want it from smallest to largest, largest to smallest, so on and so forth. I'm going to go from smallest to largest because when I go ahead and use my frequency diagram here with my class widths and everything, I am going to go ahead and count how many are in each. Okay. Another thing you're going to want to make sure is when you pick your class widths that each of these class widths are going to be the same length. You don't want one length or one class to have like 10 numbers long and then the other one to be 3 numbers long, so on and so forth. So let me just, for example, I know this isn't right, but let me just go ahead and plug in some of these numbers. What that would mean would be there are 3 numbers in this category, 5 numbers in this category, so on and so forth. When you're ready to make a histogram or your bar graph, you're going to highlight the table or your class widths and your frequencies, and you're going to go to insert and you're going to go to this column button here and select the first option you see. From there you can go ahead and change the color of your graph. You can go ahead and change the options or layout of your graph. You can even add titles, like for example number of people. So that part is kind of customizable and up to you, and you advanced users can kind of play around with that and change some of the aspects of the graph. Okay, so those are some of the features that you're going to need to know for the Excel portion of this assignment. If you have any other questions, I'm always around class to answer them. Okay, good luck.